my lesson till I let it burn, but never lose my desire. Had it from the moment that I felt my first love. I knew I'd never get enough of you.
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. My name is Cheryl. I love decorating my home with style on a budget, and I love to try to make it look a lot more expensive than it really is. One of the ways I do that is by budget decorating, budget shopping, clearance, upcycling, you name it. Any way I can save money, that's what I will do, but I still want to make my home look and feel fabulous. So guys, I am so sorry I have not been able to respond to your comments on my last video. I have been so busy with work. Oh my gosh, so busy. But I did just want to get on and just chat with you about a few projects that I have coming up or that I currently have going on that I cannot wait to share with you. So you guys know that I have been slowly decorating my daughter's house. She moved into a new house. So we have been going room by room to decorate her house. I showed you how we started decorating my granddaughter's bedroom. I have also started decorating my young grandson's bedroom. We are decorating my youngest granddaughter's bedroom. We still have the twins' bedroom to decorate, my oldest daughter, her husband, and their bedroom to decorate. We also have to finish out the living room. Oh my gosh, so many things over there. And then here in my own home, I also have little projects that I want to do. In my last video, I told you guys we were going to attempt to build a fireplace here in my lounge. And guys, so I started building the fireplace, and let me tell you, building a fireplace is not as easy as they make it look on those YouTube videos. There is a lot of things that go into it. Your measurements have to be precise and exact. And in the last video, I showed you guys where I had an inspiration of how I wanted the fireplace to look here in the lounge. And I did a mock template using some cardboard on how I thought it was going to look. But when I started building, we were trying to use wood that I already have to reuse and repurpose. It was wood that I had picked up from the Habitat Restore. That wood, I don't even know what was in my mind thinking that I could use that wood because it was not the correct wood. The wood was warped and wonky, so that whole thing did not turn out well. So I totally scrapped that and completely started over. Went to Lowe's, I picked out some new lumber. And yeah, we're in the process of building a new fireplace here in my lounge as well. So I have totally also changed the design. So in that last video, I told you guys that I was going to use some contact paper. And one of you guys was like, well, Cheryl, how are you going to use contact paper? Won't the heat from the fireplace cause the adhesive to, you know, loosen up and fall off? And you're probably right, but I don't use the fireplace for heat. It's just for looks. So I wanted to tell you a little bit about the new design inspiration for the fireplace. So I started looking through Pinterest, trying to gather some inspiration. And I've watched tons of YouTube videos of people building DIY fireplaces, and a lot of them use shiplap. Well, I'm not a shiplap type of girl. I don't like the look. I love a more modern aesthetic. So when I was perusing through Pinterest, I found some absolutely lovely inspiration photos that I absolutely fell in love with. So I will put up the inspiration photos either here or here, maybe here on this side. Let me move over a little bit. And so the inspiration is to have So I've decided now to take the fireplace up the wall, and we are going to, instead of using shiplap, I'm going to put some MDF board all around the fireplace, and then we are going to use the contact paper. And the reason I want to use the contact paper is because I want a marble look, an all black marble look, and I want it to go all the way up the fireplace wall. And I keep looking at the fireplace because it is partially built. I want to show you, but I'm not going to show you just yet. It's partially built, and okay, I'll show you a little snippet. Okay, let me show you a snippet and I'll be right back. All right, so we have all three of our supports done. Now I just need to put them in place. So let's bring you All right, guys, aren't you so excited? I'm excited. I can't wait to see how the fireplace turns out. So we still have to put the MDF board all around, and then we're going to add the contact paper. Let me show you the contact paper. All right, so before I show you the contact paper, I know you're thinking, Sheryl, why not use real marble? And I thought about that, guys, and when I looked at the cost of doing real marble, I don't want to spend the money. You guys know I am on a saving journey this year, so I want to save as much money as possible. My goal is $10,000, and I don't want to buy anything that, you know, that I don't necessarily need. I want to change the fireplace, or I want to change the look of this wall, but I want to do it in the most budget-friendly and affordable way possible. Two, I don't know that I am going to leave this fireplace here. You guys know I love changing my style, or not my style, but I just love changing and decorating my home so much. I might get tired of the look of the fireplace. So the wood was not that expensive, and so I want to stay along those lines, because if I don't like it or if I get tired of it, I can always take it down. So that was the premise behind that, and that's why we're using contact paper. But anyway, so the first contact paper I got, so I was thinking, do I want to do, I showed you inspiration photos of all black, but I also got this contact paper. So I thought, this contact paper might look really nice on it as well. You guys know I use a lot of black in my home, as you can see around me. I'm thinking maybe I should lighten it up a little bit and use this all white faux marble contact paper on the fireplace. So that's an option. And then also, I don't know if you can really see it, but here's the black. Can you see that? Oh my gosh, it looks so luscious. Here's the black contact paper, and this is the one that I am leaning toward. Again, I showed you guys the inspiration pieces. That is the look that I want. So I think I'm going to go with the black, but I do have the white. So I need your help. Leave me a comment down below and vote. Should I go all black or should I go white? I'm leaning toward black, but leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think would look best. I think because the wall is gray, it's agreeable gray, and it's light in color, that the black will look so much better than the white. So that's why I'm leaning toward black, but leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. And so I'm thinking, like I said, I think I'm gonna go with black on the fireplace, and because I'm gonna use black there, over on this side, you guys know I tried to upcycle my credenza. Let me show you that. All right, so I tried to upcycle this credenza, and I used this marble contact paper, as you can see. Well, I want to change it. I think this contact paper, you can see it has more black in it. It's more prominent. It would look really nice over here, and it will go along with the other items that I have along this wall. Let me back up a little bit. I'm just running into my tripod. So this is how this wall looks. And I think this paper would look really, really nice with the wall. So that is the thought process. That is the plan. Leave me a comment down below. I think this would look really, really nice. Change this to this. Let me know what you think. All right, guys, so that is the plans, all of the plans that I have coming up over the next few months. It's a lot, guys, it's a lot, and I have a full-time job, so I am so sorry that, you know, my videos, normally I try to get out at least 2 to 3 videos a week, and I was only able to get out one last week, and you're only gonna be able to get one this week. But my projects, I hope to have finished up soon, and I'm so excited to share those finished spaces with you. So guys, if you have enjoyed what little bit I have showed you, the sneak peek, I will say, of what is coming up in my daughter's home, what's coming up in my home, please make sure to give the video a big thumbs up. And if you want to see how the spaces are going to turn out and you have not yet subscribed, I would so appreciate it if you would hit the subscribe button, tap that notification bell, and become a member of the iStyle family. I have lots of budget-friendly, budget luxury home decorating inspiration coming your way that you don't want to miss. Now, your task for this week, help me decide. Are we going all black on the fireplace, or are we going all white? I think I'm team black, but I want to hear your opinions. I love it when you guys leave me your opinions. You always have such good opinions, such good questions, such great ideas on things that I should try. So I want your opinion, black or white. Leave me a comment down below. And with that, my friends, I hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye, guys.